Ready? Go.
Take a picture of this.
Okay, go hit your button. Let's do it, buddy. One more cycle.